Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I created these nails using the bubble technique. I saw this floating around on Instagram and I was like, oh, that looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. You guys, I love the way these turned out. I love this color because it kind of makes it look like snake or like alligator print. I think these nails just came out really good. So if you guys want to know how I created these, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my nails already on. I did use my polygel to create these nails. And the color I'm going to be using is by Kiara Sky in the color Hush Hush, and it is a nice green color. So I'm going to start off by applying these to my nails. I do already have my base coat down. As you guys can see, this polish goes on pretty sheer, so I did have to use 3 coats to get its true color. You guys, this is my first attempt at trying to do stiletto nails. I think they came out okay. I'm still working on it, but you guys, I'm having a really good time with learning how to do my nails. But if you guys want to see me attempt to do stiletto nails on camera, then just let me know down below and I will get that video up for you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and cure them in my nail lamp. You guys know I do like to do my thumbs separate, so that's why it's just hanging out over there. And these are my nails after 3 coats. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my top coat. This one is by Orly, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto all of my nails. You guys, I'm running out of top coat. If you guys have any suggestions for a really good top coat, preferably a no wipe one, please let me know down below so I can pick it up because this one is running out. And then you do not want to cure these. You want to go right into applying your bubbles. So for my bubbles, I'm going to use my Dish Dawn soap. Pretty much use any soap that you have on hand. And then you're going to need a water bottle with just a little bit of water in it to create your bubbles. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour my soap inside of the bottle. And then you're going to go ahead and give it a shake, and then as you can see, you have a bottle filled with bubbles. And then you're just going to take the bottle and just squeeze some bubbles onto your fingernail. I saw someone do it with a spoon, but honestly this one seems a lot easier. So yeah, just go ahead and use a water bottle. And then once your bubbles are on, you're going to go ahead and cure it in your nail for 30 seconds. And this is what it should look like once you take it out. As you guys can see, it's nice and textured. Really nice for the fall. I absolutely love this technique. And then I'm just going to do the same thing for all of my fingers. So as you guys can see, I just put a big blob of soap on my middle fingers. And I'm just going to cure that for 30 seconds as well. And then of course, just doing my thumb separate. Just squeezing that soap right on there and then just curing it in my nail lamp. And you guys, this is the finished look. So quick, so easy. You cannot tell me these nails do not scream fall. I absolutely love the way they came out. They're just like, I don't know if it's snake print or alligator print. You can call it whatever print you want to call it. But I think these look really nice in black as well. If you guys have any suggestions or any other nail videos you guys want to see on my channel, any other designs, anything you guys want me to try since I am in the learning stage, please feel free to let me know down below. And while you're there, go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.